This is the S&P 500 SPDR ETF SPY one-day reading for November 7th, 2024. It's currently October 8th, 2024, 7:08 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $573.17. That's USD. The shuffle file for the November 7th reading was created on October 3rd, 2024 at 1:12 p.m. Eastern Time. In this video, we're going to go over the overall trend direction for the day. We're going to talk about the chart behavior around the day's highest high and the chart behavior around the day's lowest low, as well as the general timing down to roughly about an hour as far as where they are throughout the day. And then we're going to get into where the best trades are and the chart behavior by the hour, basically. You have to give it plus or minus an hour here or there of wiggle room, and not in all readings, in a few readings here or there. But always pay attention to the sequence of events, because that will keep you on track if we are plus or minus a little bit here or there on the timing. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a rally along a diagonal trend line breaking through horizontal resistance to meet another resistance before pulling back to somewhere between those two price levels. We do have a couple of nullifications here, so this is a more difficult than normal day to trade. There's a lot of information missing for us to be guided by when you see nullifications like this. Usually it's best just to avoid days like this. But with that said, behavior around the highest high, we have a rally along a diagonal trend line that ends with a fast move higher and then a breakdown through that diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down. Most likely a notable reversal that'll stand out on a multi-day scale near the high. Behavior on the lowest low, a period of volatility that ends with a fast move higher. Within that period of volatility, we should see the low form. And there's a double nullified victory card as a trade opportunity. So not much guidance as far as where and how to trade there. So we open higher in the pre-market, and it looks like there's a low for the day that first off in the pre-market with a pop and a drop. Important range, at least a one-day chart, probably on a multi-day chart scale, highlighted right around the open, and there's a notable reversal there as well. Sideways rotation in the first half hour ending with a fast move higher and then more sideways rotation. Gets pretty mixed midday, so we go from this sideways rotation between 10 and 11 into a decline from, there'll be a peak around 11, a decline from that peak into sideways rotation again, and then a rally starting right around 11:45, and then that rally is halted by a decline through key support into a trough, followed by more sideways rotation into the 1 to 2 o'clock hour. That sideways rotation ends with a fast move higher, taking us into a near overbought crest that we then sell off from with a lot of volatility from crest is probably just before 2. This breakout to the crest probably just before 2, and then in that 2 to 3 o'clock hour volatility with a sharp top that'll stand out in that period of volatility. And then in the last hour, after there's a trade opportunity at a low there just after 3 o'clock. If I'm wrong about that, then that means there's a really significant trade opportunity on the 8th. But my sense is that there's probably a low there just after 3 o'clock, a failed attempt to break through key resistance, decline through key support, and we have a prominent peak of some kind, or an important new peak of some kind that forms right around the close. Yeah, so this is probably an exit. This range that's highlighted right at the open, probably an exit. So when we have this sideways rotation turning into a breakout into an near overbought crest, at that near overbought crest, you can open up a short, close the short before 3 o'clock, near overbought crest before 2 o'clock, close the short just after 3 o'clock. And if I'm wrong about that, then very, very likely on the 8th. And that's the S&P 500 SPDR ETF SPY one-day reading for November 7th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. Blessings to all my angel investors. Guys, if you're interested in seeing your stock ticker covered daily by the hour, like these SPY readings, that's actually something that you can custom order on the website. You go to our website, Tarot for Traders, hover over Order Now, click on Custom Readings. And what we're talking about is the 1 month of consecutive daily stock reading, and they're currently 2,500, well undervalued, because you're getting 30, anywhere, depending on the month, anywhere from 28 to 31 of these consecutive daily readings by the hour. We're actually in the month of October doing this special order for somebody for the month of October. There's Tesla day trade guidance going on, and if you've got the monthly access subscription on our website, Tarot for Traders, then you've got access to that. Other way to do it, guys, this is a great way to support the channel. You just put in what month you're interested in, what year, and then the ticker. It must be a stock, though. We don't do crypto. It's just way too much work for these by the day things. So with that said, blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.